Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog, and in this video we are going to talk about factoring polynomials. And take note, it is the product of the sum and difference of the same two terms. Okay, so are you excited? Let's get started. So first is, when are we going to know that it is the product of the sum and difference of the same two terms? Okay, when? So first condition is the product of the sum of and the difference of the same two terms is a binomial. The given is a binomial. Okay, when we say binomial, it means two terms, no? So for example, we have x squared minus 64. So they are two terms. So one term and the second term. When we say term, these are separated by either subtraction or addition. Okay? So this is the first term and then the second term. Another condition is the operation is subtraction. Okay, and the third one is both terms are perfect square. Okay, when we say perfect square, the exponent of the variable must be 2, 4, 6 divisible by 2, and then the constant, it must be a perfect square. If you try to, it's like 4, 9, 25. No, when you try to extract its square root, the answer is a whole number. Okay, so that's how you know that it is the product of the sum and difference of the same two terms. So next, what are we going to do? So to factor out, we would get the square root of the first term. Our first term is x squared. So the square root of that is, of x squared is x, and we would write it here. Next is the square root of the second term, which is 64. Square root of 64 is, think of a number that you multiply itself, the result is 64, and that is 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, 8 and 8. And since it is the product of the sum, so first will be addition and then the second is subtraction. Okay, so this is now our factors of the polynomial x squared minus 64. X plus 8 times the quantity of x minus 8. So if you try to do the FOIL like that, x times x is x squared. Then x times negative 8, that's negative 8x. This is checking. 8 times x, that is positive 8x. And then 8 times negative 8, so minus 64. And then negative 8x and positive 8x, that's crash out, becomes 0. So the result will be x squared minus 64. So check. Okay, so now let's go to another example. The x squared minus 121. So again, the condition first is the given is a binomial. So this is a binomial, right? Because it has two terms, 1, 2. Next, the operation is subtraction, correct? Subtraction, then both terms are perfect square. So let's see. The square root of x squared is x, correct? The square root of 121 is what number that you multiply itself is 121. That's 11. So it is very suitable for the condition. So it means this is a product of sum and difference. Okay, so x minus 11, or you can write x minus 11 times the quantity of x plus 11. No, you can interchange the position of the two. So this is now the factored form of the polynomial x squared minus 121. I hope you learned something in this video, and if you are new in this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified when new video is uploaded. Thank you and love lots. Bye bye.